If you're in the area of Molito, Alabang, you should try itong Propaganda Bistro, offering you the best Vietnamese food. Pagpasok na pala dito guys, bubungad sa inyo yung colorful and very Saigon vibe talaga. Bale magla-lunch time na rin to kaya sobrang dami ng tao. If you're into Vietnamese food talaga, this spot is really for you. Ang daming options in terms of the food, like yung fresh and fried spring rolls nila, may salads din sila, may banh mi, yung kanilang pho, at ang dami pang options in terms of the drinks. At dahil mag-isa na nga lang ako, I ordered yung kanilang bestseller na coffee drink. At hindi mawawala sa akin yung pangmalakasan nilang beef ribs pho at yung kanilang barbecue pork banh mi. At nung sa nerve na siya guys, grabe, sobrang laki at sobrang dami din pala. Una natin titikman itong beef ribs pho nila. Sa broth pa lang talaga guys, sobrang rich na ng flavor niya. Dagdag nyo kasi yung kanilang fresh herbs na galing from Vietnam. Actually, this serving guys, 2 to 3 persons na ang pwede. If you're going to visit guys, don't miss out itong barbecue pork banh mi nila. Grabe, napaka-solid nito, lalong-lalo na yung meats in the inside. It's juicy at the same time yung crust talaga ng baguette. Sobrang panalo. Dagdag nyo pa yung kanilang iced coffee drink. So kung naghahanap ka ng Vietnamese food dito sa Molito, Alabang, why not to visit itong Propaganda Bistro, serving you the best and authentic Vietnamese food dito sa South. Ano? G?